Hi guys, if you're a class 11 or a class 12 student, if you're in class 11 or class 12 currently, this video is for you. Please spend the next 5 to 7 minutes to watch this video. When I was in school, if I got something like this, I would have been happy. So I want to share this with you. You might be having your board exams, but 5 to 7 minutes extremely important for your career. Now, once your 12th exams are done, the next 4 to 5 years are extremely important. It defines your next 30 years. It defines your next 30 years of your life will be defined based on how well you perform in the next 4 to 5 years. Once 12th is over, you need to work hard in life. Only when you work hard, your career is set. Nobody becomes a good entrepreneur or a good businessman or top CEO, CFO of a company just by luck. Everybody works hard, and it is better to work hard in the beginning of your career rather than struggling now and working hard later. Now, where am I coming? After your 12th is done, once your board exams are done, or some of you might already have decided what you want to do in career, most of you would have been confused. Take some time and decide what you want to do. If you like law, take up law as a course. If you like commerce or if you like accounts, take up accounts as a course. This video is targeted mainly, I want to convey to commerce students of 11th and 12th. Even science students can watch this because there will be some information for you. Now, extremely important you choose your career well, because this is what you're going to do for the rest of your life, next 30 years. So there has to be passion. Sachin Tendulkar, does he ever complain while playing cricket? Because he loves doing it. I don't complain when I do my work because I love what I do. So find that. Once you decide, let's say as a commerce student, most of you have the options BCom in a college, or you have been already aware about CA, CSM, CMA, any course you can take. Here I will not tell you which course to choose. If you have decided to take up CA as a course, continue watching this video. The video is important for you. First question you will ask, is CA worth it, sir? Is it valuable? Definitely yes. Today I am a CA and CS. Somebody came and guided me when I was in my school. I liked it. I took up the course. I don't regret it one bit. So if you're going to take up CA, it is gold. I will come to that a little later. Now, second question they will ask me is, sir, I am scoring only 60% in 12th, 70% in 12th. I am an average student, 80%. Can I do this course? I will give you 3 reasons why this course. If you have decided not to do CA, you can exit the video. But if you are thinking to do CA, please continue watching the video. First point A, irrespective of what your financial position, caste is, how well you study, this course does not differentiate. There is no caste discrimination in this course. You can be any person. Everybody will write the same exam. Whoever passes will clear. Unlike other courses like IAS, you get some reservations and all. No reservation here. Purely based on your skill. That is one good thing. Second, coming to money you have to spend for this course. Money you have to spend for this course. Other courses, say doctor, engineering, you might have to spend lakhs, 5 lakhs for engineering maybe. For doctor, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, depends on where you do it. Let's not get into those numbers. Coming to CA course, the total money you have to pay to government over the period of 4 years, not government, when I say government, it's called ICA, the body which governs chartered accountants in India, will be totally for 3 years around 75,000 at max. That you have to pay 20,000 first year, after passing next amount, 75,000 is the max. So financially I am struggling, can I take up this course? Absolutely yes. Money will not be an issue for this course. Second most important point, no other course in India has this benefit. During this 4 years, there is a period called articleship period, training period, where you will earn 5,000 rupees per month. 5,000 rupees per month. This is for 3 years, therefore 36 months. 5,000 is average. Some people might pay you 5,000, some might pay you 3,000, some might pay you 10,000. Depends on where you choose to do your articleship. You can earn minimum 1,80,000 rupees in the period of 3 years. So whatever you spend for your exam fees, you will get it back. You will get it back, and additionally you will have 1,05,000 surplus. Third important point, this is the most important point. Can I do it? Can I do it? I'll tell you a small story. I have a friend. His name is Veera. He's come from Andhra Pradesh. I met him in 2017, 4 years back. He's come from Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, from a village called Kadapa, near Kadapa. Kadapa is a small town. Near that, there's a small village. He has to travel another 30-40 kilometers from Kadapa. His father is a farmer. Financially, they are not that well off to do. This 75,000 is a big money for him. He studied in Telugu medium school. He doesn't even know to write a letter. If you are watching this video, I'm sure you can write a letter because in school you studied. English is very poor. He came to Chennai. I met him in 2017. He was a friend. I was not a teacher back then. He was a friend. I was also studying for my CA course back then, 16, 17 and all. We studied together. I thought this guy and all, how will he clear CA? No English. He's finding it difficult to understand. Us studying in city, good schools and clearing CA, no, useless. That person came from village, worked hard. I did not believe that he will not pass, but he changed my perspective. From that day, whoever comes, I'll say they can do it CA. He worked hard, put hours, 10 hours every day for studying, 10, 15 hours sometimes studying. He cleared his CA and also cleared his CMA. He's a double qualification now. He has CA plus CMA. So I thought, if he can do it, it's not me thinking, if that guy can do it, like this, there are so many inspiring stories. If they can do it, doesn't matter what you score in 12th, all that institute requires is, you have to pass in 12th. Pass, just pass also is enough. You can enter into this course. Even if you're a science student, you can enter into this course. Even if you're having a UG degree, you can enter into this course. No restrictions about you have to be science stream or commerce stream. Anybody can enter the course. Extremely important. Therefore, if you decide to choose CA, this is the most important point I wanted to convey. Anybody can take it up and complete. Now, lastly, sir, where should I go for classes? No, I am not marketing for anyone. There are so many academies in India, 100 plus academies, so many people taking classes. I am not going to tell come and join here, go and join there. You choose what is best for you, but only one thing I want to tell you. When you buy a shirt, you will go to 3 to 4 shops. If you want to buy a car, you will see 5 to 6 options. If your parents want to buy a house, you will see at least a few houses in few localities and compare the prices. See what is convenient for you. Same way for CA classes, blindly please don't go join anywhere. It's your career, next few months, few years are going to invest over here. More than the money, quality is important. Go see all the options, see all options, evaluate what is good for you and then join wherever you want. I take classes in Inside Commerce Studies. We have branches in Annanagar and Nungambakam. One of the many options you have, I'm a young faculty, I've been teaching for many years and I have students who cleared rank and those who didn't clear also, I guided them and made them clear in the next attempt. So all of that I've seen. Here we take classes. You can come, if you like it, come attend for 1 to 2 weeks. I will not tell pay advance, pay this money, not a single rupee I'll ask from you. Come experience the quality, see if you like it, then you can register. No question of you have to pay fees only then you can attend class. Come watch either online live because of COVID now or face-to-face class also have already started here. Come and attend. Previous batches also we have only 50 students. We restrict 50 to 100 marks. Some place will have 500 plus students, 1000 plus students in one classroom. I don't like that personally because I cannot monitor 400, 500 students by myself. It will be difficult to take so many calls or WhatsApp so many students for doubts and all of that. Like a school, your school teacher can control 50, 60 students and make everybody pass. So I want to take a small batch of 50 to 100 students whom I can personally monitor. So you can come, attend here for 1 to 2 weeks. Don't have to pay 1 rupee fees also. If you like it, then you can join. If you don't like it, you can just walk out. Nobody will ask a question. So when you are in 12th, your career is important. Please take a right call. Just because I told CA, don't CA is the best. Do your research. I am saying CA because I am a CA in CS and I love this course. This is what has made me as what I am today. So I will say it is a good course. Obviously, if you go to a doctor and ask him, can I study doctor? Is it a good course? Obviously, he is going to tell you, yes, it's a good course. So you see what you like and then you choose the course. Career is important. So all the best for you. And before that, all the best for your board exams if you are in 12th and 11th. You have adequate time. You can start preparing for CA along with 11th and 12th, or you can choose to do it later. You have both the options today. So more details about the course, what is the course about, I have so many doubts. To contact us, the description, in this description of this video, there will be details. You can always contact us now or after your board exams. We are always approachable. So if you have stayed till here, thank you for watching till here, and do share this with your other friends in 11th and 12th. It will be useful for them. Thank you guys.